Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing another review of a construction RC vehicle that I have. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Top Race RC truck TR212. So before we get started, make sure you smash the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, smash the like button, check out my Instagram, and let's get right into the video. So as you can see, this is an RC dump truck. So let's just get right into it. It has 6 wheels. It has the back wheels. It is not all-wheel drive. It's not 6WD. It's only 4WD. So only the back wheels they turn, while the front wheels, they don't do anything at all. So the back wheel, just like a small car, the back wheels spin. So that means it's not like all-terrain, it's not off-road, so it goes on, it's supposed to go on a road, not on bumpy terrain and stuff. And also this is pretty low, but I found a way to still drive it. It is electric. This goes up, and when it goes up, this automatically goes up with no electricity, because it has these metal rods that just hold this in place, so it just stays in place while the this upper part is going up, so your load can fall out. It has these lights in the back. When you turn it on, the lights flash and do all that stuff. It seems like it's pretty heavy. Maybe I'll say 10 pounds. The cab is mostly what's the heaviest part. All the weight is in the cab. There's this part weighs nothing, but the cab is the heaviest part. So probably all the electronics are in the cab. Non-openable doors, because the electronics are inside. I also made a this useful trailer that goes with it. I made it out of wood and stuff. Didn't spend any money. That's pretty cool. So whatever it is, it can drive up, and then the truck just carries it. The truck doesn't have a hook in the back or in the front if it gets stuck. That kind of sucks, but I found a way to attach the trailer in the back. I just wrap it around the lights. I'll show you later when I drive it. I'll show you the remote control. Here it is. It's black. It's not in the shape of a hand, but it's black, so if any dirt falls onto it, it's not really going to be visible. It has these. This controls the steering. This goes forward and backwards. This controls the light. This controls the sound. This controls the movement of the front tires. So if you press this button, the tires are slightly going to move left, and they're going to stay like that. So when you get the truck, you should probably not adjust this, because it's going to be hard to put them back in place. And then here it also controls how this moves up and down. It is not fully metal, except the metal rods that I pointed out earlier, and the frame of the back. So you can see this middle part, it's all metal, and of course the bolts and screws and stuff, they're also metal. All of this, it's the color of metal, so it's made to look like metal, but they're actually not metal. It is not hydraulic, of course. It costs $99, well, $100, exactly $100. Of course, for that price, it's not hydraulic this. So the cylinder wouldn't be hydraulic, because any RC that's hydraulic, it would cost at least $1,000. It's just electric. It has this nice Top Race logo here. I added my own Mark Brand RC thing that I made out of the 3D pen I have. I'll show you later how it drives. I'm just gonna show you turn it on. Oh, and by the way, the battery, this is what the battery looks like. The battery goes in on the bottom. It plugs into a cord, and then you just screw on the lid. So sorry if this is dirty. I just already used it a couple times. All right. Now the battery goes in here. Everything's already turned on, so when I plug this in, you're gonna see the sound kit. Ready? All right, wait, I didn't turn on the controller yet. Sorry. The lights are flashing. That's a good thing. All right, hear that? That is the sound kit. I know that's kind of loud. I'll turn it off. So just press this button to turn it on and off the sound. It's pretty loud. Yeah, so I'm not gonna drive it yet because there's like no space here at all. It's just gonna drive right off the table and ruin everything. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. Yeah, I'll tell you all that later. And let's see how it drives right now. Bye. Oh, and also, I had this Top Race excavator. Yeah, so it'll be perfect for the Top Race, for this Top Race truck. Yeah, so let's see any more details on here. Let me show you the front of it. It has the lights, it has this really detailed. It has the mirrors, plastic mirrors, and probably the thing I like about this is the detail. It has a lot of detail. It has this thing in the back where the gas goes. Then it has the box. Hold on. It has the box right here, a storage box. It has tire covers. The tires are not like for uneven terrain. They're not really grippy, but they are rubber, and they have air inside of them. So if I can squish this. They're squishy because they're hollow. So that's a good thing that they're made of rubber. The tire frames are highly detailed too. I was planning to put some grip to like remove the tires and replace them because the grip's not really good because like it sometimes, a lot of times actually, the back tires, they spin, but the truck itself does not move. Yeah, that happens a lot of times. If you like it indoors, then it works perfectly on a flat floor or a table and stuff like that. And also, I just want to show you really quick how it drives. Okay. See, it goes forward and backward. I'll show you this really quick. Hold on. As you can see, these tires don't move. I'll show you how they steer. Hold on 1 second. There we go. So when you let go, they just pop right into place. Now remember, this I showed you, these buttons right here, I can move them. See, now the tires move into place, and now the steering's different. I'll move them back. There we go. And now the steering's even on both sides. And of course, I will show you how the back goes off. Here's how it sounds if the sound kit's on. That's as far as it goes. Oh, and this cylinder right here is made of metal too. That's pretty good. Now this is not what makes this back go up. It's actually these things at the bottom here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's these. So you can hold the same button. You can hold it, and this will just keep going up and down, so you can hold it. Yeah, and then you can move the other button. You can adjust the way this moves up and down and all that. So so if you turn the sound on and you move backward, it'll have the beeping thing, just like a real truck. That's pretty good. Yeah, so let's see how this thing will go. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and make sure to check out my other video where all these machines are just working in the sand.